Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to see post in private account on Instagram without following. So there is some method you can follow, that is head over to Instagram account first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And from here, you can find various private account. Like, let's head over to this one. So this is a public account. We can see their posts, but we want a private account like this one. So as you can see, this account is private, but if we want to see their posts, let me just think like a place they have recently visited, or they have visited sometime. So if you know that sort of place and they have tagged the place, so head over to the search section here and search for the specific place. So let's say I'm searching for Paris, France. And once you search it, go to this places option right here and just tap on the specific address. So once you tap it, you will find various posts of people in here. So what you have to do is just, you can see that there are posted the uh, there are photos in Instagram and they have tagged this specific place. So by tagging this specifically a place, whether their account is private or public, their post is seen because of this tag of the location tag. So yeah, this is how you can just see any post in private account on Instagram without following. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and we will see you in the next video.